Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today we are going to be talking about the Bestope, I don't know how to pronounce it, 6-in-1 curling wand, and it looks like this. So you have six attachments and then your curling iron. Yeah, so this retails for about, let me look at it, for $52.99 on Amazon, and I actually got this for around $40 because they had like their lightning deal. Yeah, so I actually wanted to purchase this because honestly I am so tired of going to the store and buying a different curling wand size and then also storing curling irons is just so annoying. Like, there's too many cords everywhere and it never looks neat and organized. And so because this is a 6-in-1, I have all the sizes that I need and it's already stored away super conveniently. And I also get to throw away all my old curling irons, which it's nice starting out fresh. So today I'm just gonna try out what it's like. So I'm kind of gonna like take them out of the box and show you how, one, you put it in and how you can change them out really easily. It also came with the heat protectant gloves, so if you're not used to using like a curling wand without the little clip, it's really easy to kind of burn yourself. And then it came with hair clips, like alligator clips, so you can, you know, section your hair off and then put the clip in there. Yeah, so let's get to it. So it looks like this. So this is your thickest, and then this is more of a medium size, and then it tapers off. So cool. And then the bottom comes off, and then under it, I already undid this, the wire, because I wanted to try it out before I had something to say. So it comes with the heat protectant glove, as I said, and then also 2 alligator clips, and then a curling wand manual, and it just tells you the different curling wands and how to use them. Looks like that. Okay, this is going to be a short video, but I want to show you guys how to use it. I think it's really self-explanatory, but we're here, might as well. So please be patient with me as I try to show you guys. I don't know how to film this, so I'm actually gonna curl my hair because I have somewhere to be, and I'm gonna go in with this one. If you guys want a video of me trying out all these different curling wands, let me know and I'd be happy to show you guys what each of them, like how they curl, how each of them curls. Okay, so each attachment has these 4 prongs that attach into the curling wand. Looks like this. And then the wand itself looks like that. And this is turned off right now. So I'm just gonna pop this in and match up these prongs to their holes. Let's see. Okay, so it clicks in and you push it all the way. So let's do that again. And then you push it all the way, and then you can lock it. So that way when you're like actually doing your hair, it's not just gonna fall out and burn you. Yeah, curling wand burns are probably the worst. And I'm gonna plug this in and I'm gonna show you guys how cool this little screen is. I've never seen any other curling wand tell you what temperature it's at as it's heating up. So let's show you guys that right now. So the middle button is the power. Come on, hold it. So right now it's at 360 and I think that's a little high for my hair. I'm gonna put it at 350 and it will show you what temperature it's at as it starts to heat up. I think this is such a cool feature to kind of know what your curling iron is heating up to. And also a good feature so you don't like accidentally burn yourself. Yeah, so let's wait for it to heat up. So this wand is actually a 1 inch, which is perfect for my hair. My hair isn't long enough to do the bigger wands. I feel like my waves aren't as nice. So as that heats up, I am just gonna brush my hair out. Sorry, I keep looking at the monitor. I know, I'm getting used to this YouTube thing. Okay, I'm gonna quickly part my hair. Usually I just part it in half like this. And let's use their clips. Usually like other clips don't really hold all of my hair, but this one does a good job at doing that. And I like to start, I do the front piece first and make sure there's no knots. Okay, so now it's at 350. I put my curling wand behind the piece of hair I'm wanting to curl at like a 45-degree angle, and I wrap it around 3 times, and then I hold the very end just so I don't burn myself. It's really hard to see. And I hold my hair in for a few seconds. Sometimes I'll just curl it around like that, and then I let it go. It's really hard to see because I'm wearing black and my hair is pretty dark. And then I move on to the next section and do the same. And this is gonna take a while, so yeah. As I was saying, sometimes I move my curling iron around just so my curls can like breathe, and then I make them tight again. And I'm not a hairstylist, so the way I do my hair is the way that works for me. And if you're a hairstylist and you think I'm doing it wrong, well, I'm sorry. It's just the way that works best for me. And this is what the curls look like, and I brush them out. No one wants super tight curls, so. And they look like that. So I'm gonna do my entire head, and then I will show you guys the final results. I know that this video is super short, but I'm so grateful for you guys that actually watch my video. Like, it means a lot. I know that I don't have a lot of followers on YouTube or Instagram, but I'm honestly just doing the things that make me happy. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing it. So if you guys want to watch more videos, I'd appreciate you being on my channel too. Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of my hair and then I'll be back. So this is the finished result with the 1 inch curling wand. I personally really love this. I wouldn't be telling you guys otherwise. So I will be putting a link to this whole thing down in the description below. And obviously I'm not getting paid to say this because no one really knows of me and I'm such a small YouTuber. So yeah, I would give this a 10-star if that was possible. And it's super convenient. I hope you guys go out and buy this just so you guys don't have to spend more money on different size curling irons. And yeah, right now this is actually going for $52.99 on Amazon. And I will show you guys, like, maybe in the future the different sizes. But I really like the 1 inch for my hair length personally. And the other thing is if you are not used to using curling wands, I would be very careful with your fingers because, you know, holding it this close to iron can be kind of sketchy, so definitely use the glove they provided. And yeah, thank you guys so much for actually watching this video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you did like it, please hit that thumbs up and I will be super grateful. And also subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would love to have more people in my little Becca's Life community. So yeah, that is it for this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I will see you in my next video, whenever that will be. Bye guys.